Hello traders, Michael Patak here, founder of Topstep. I got some cool announcements for you and I'm gonna jump right into it. I want you guys to meet Coach T. Coach T is your full-time, personalized, automated extension of our performance coaches. And what makes Coach T so cool? Coach T is gonna help you build a trading routine. Now what does a trading routine look like? Well, you prep and you trade and you reflect. Just like an athlete would go out there and prep for the game, play the game, and then reflect on their performance. There's a routine happening there, and Coach T is going to help you with that. Now, who's Coach T again? Automated, personalized, digital performance coach. The first part of your trading routine, prep. Now, in prep, every trader needs a trading plan, and every trader needs to stick to that plan. You want to test out certain things? Get a practice account and get started trading right now. Now, the second part of your trading routine is trade. Now, in trade, during your trading day, just like going out on the field and playing the game, during your trading day, discipline and strong habits are key. Now, Coach T is going to help you build both so you can leave those rule breaks in the past. Now, what Coach T does is you want to turn on your alerts. So it makes you turn on your alerts during your trading day. Coach T is going to nudge you in the right direction. Now, I want you to think of Coach T, or I think of Coach T, as that coach from the sidelines helping guide you along the way while you're out on the playing field playing ball. Now, the last part of your trading routine is reflect. Now, with Coach T's analytics, you'll be able to reflect on your trading day to make smarter decisions tomorrow. Now, with these personalized data and insights from Coach T, you'll be able to evaluate your strategy to ensure it's long-term profitable. Now, think of reflection as watching the tape. Athletes go out there, they prep, they trade, and then they reflect on their trading day by watching the tape of how they performed out on the playing field. Now, we always want to perform in a way that we're ever improving. Now, Reflex allows you to ever improve and look back at your past to work on the future. Now, I'm really confident, I'm really excited that these tools are going to be an absolute home run for you and your trading. Our mission here is to professionalize your passion. Now, traders need a coach, just like athletes need a coach, just like I need a coach. Trade smart, always trade for tomorrow. Thank you.